so today I'm going to be showing you another hair growth rinse that is actually a great substitute if you don't have cloves. Right now it's hard for me to find cloves. For some reason it's sold out. Probably a lot of people are using cloves for their hair, but however I found a good substitute for cloves. And also this is super quick and easy to make, and probably you already have this ingredient in your kitchen. So if y'all are interested, then let's get started. Anise is a very well-known spice that has a very strong, distinct flavor that is warm, sweet, and spicy, similar to clove that is typically added on broths, soup, tea, or stew. Now, when used on the hair, it is said that this spice has been found to enhance hair shaft elongation, increase keratinocyte growth factors, and promote hair growth and vascular endothelial growth. Now, anise may also be considered as a therapeutic agent for alopecia due to its beneficial effects on hair growth. And this spice is also used to lubricate the hair and in addition help repair damaged hair. Plus, massaging this on your scalp helps stimulate hair growth and it encourages new hair regrowth. Okay, so to make this rinse, all you have to do is boil water in a pot. And when it is at this point, you can now add the spice in. And then I'm gonna let that brew for about 10 minutes until it reaches this color. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and allow it to completely cool down before filtering the anise seeds from the tea. And then I will transfer that in a spray bottle for easy application. Okay, so for me, since I'm using this for hair growth, I am going to mostly focus it on my scalp. Now make sure that when you spray it, you actually spray it near your scalp and not far from it, so you can really make sure that the rinse actually hit your scalp and not just on top of your hair. I'm not so sure if I'm explaining that correctly, but basically you want this to soak on your scalp and not just on the exterior part of your hair. So you can do it this way, or either pour this on your scalp inside the shower, and this is preferably best to use on clean hair. Now at this point, I'm just gonna let that stay on my hair for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. You can actually leave it longer, but for me, I was still at work mode, so 15 minutes was good. Now you can wash it off with shampoo if you used it on dirty hair, but if you use it on clean hair, you can just go ahead and wash it out with water or use this as a last rinse after your conditioner. Now this is the result. I really like how this does not make my scalp itchy or dry. Even if you leave it too long on your hair and scalp, I actually find that it does not dry the hair at all. Plus, it actually makes the hair soft as well. And just in case if you don't like the smell of this, you don't have to worry because the scent comes off easily as soon as you wash it out. And I find this is actually one of the good substitutes for using cloves, just because both of them are great for stimulating hair growth on the scalp, and at the same time it encourages hair regrowth. And I also like how it actually has cleansed my scalp properly. It didn't actually leave any residues on my hair and scalp. So that is it, you guys. Have you all tried using this rinse on your hair? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. And once again, if you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!